What is sum? In addition to evaluating functions, you can do operations with function. The sum of this function can be written f of x plus g of x, or as f plus g of x. The sum of the two functions is the sum of the two polynomials.
Operation on functions. So here is an example of operation on functions in addition. And here we have our given, which is f of x equals 8x minus 3, then g of x equals 7x plus 6. So these are the given. So we need to find f plus g of x. So in order to find that, we use this solution, which is f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. All we need to do is substitute the given, which is 8x minus 3 plus 7x plus 6. And then you combine like terms. So 8x plus 7x is equals to 15x. Then negative 3 plus positive 6 is equals to positive 3. And that is how you solve an operation of functions in addition.
What is difference? Functions with overlapping domains can be added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided. If f of x and g of x are two functions, then for all x in the domain of both functions, the sum, difference, product, and quotient are defined as followers. For example, the given of the following is f of x is equals 6x minus 1, while g of x is equals 6x minus 4. Find f minus g of x.
Product. To multiply a function by another function or multiply their outputs.
Here is an example of solving operation of functions in multiplication or product. We have our given f of x equals to 2x squared plus 1, and then g of x equals to 4x minus 2. And we need to find f times g of x. So in order to find that, we use this solution, which is f times g of x is equals to f of x times g of x. Simply substitute the given and then apply FOIL method. So this is the FOIL method. 2x squared times 4x equals to 8x cubed. Then 2x squared times negative 2 is equals to negative 4x squared. Then 4x minus 2 times 1 is equals to 4x minus 2. And since we don't see any like terms that we can combine, so this is our final answer.
Quotient. This is the result of dividing one quantity by another.
f of x is equals to 2x squared plus 15x minus 8. G of x is equals to x squared plus 10x plus 16. Now we have to find f over g of x. And we have this equation, 2x squared plus 15x minus 8 over x squared plus 10x plus 16. Now what we need is to multiply the first and the last term, that is equals to negative 16. Now we have to find the two number that is, if we multiply, is equals to negative 16, and if we have to sum it up, is equals to positive 15. Now we have this 16 and negative 1. 16 times negative 1 is equals to negative 16. 16 minus 1 is equals to positive 15. Now we have to factor out by grouping. What is the common about 2x squared plus 16 is we have 2x. Now let's divide. 2x squared divided by 2x is equals to x. 16x divided by 2x is equals to positive 8. Now what is the common about negative x minus 8? Is we have negative 1. Now negative x divided by negative 1 is we have positive x. Negative 8 divided by negative 1 is we have positive 8. Now let's simplify. Now we have 2x minus 1 and times x plus 8. Now we have to simplify the g of x. Now what we need is to find the two numbers that is multiply is equals to positive 16, and if we sum it up, it's equals to positive 10 or 10. Now we have this 2 and positive 8. 2 times 8 is equals to positive 16. 2 plus 8 is we have positive 10. Again, let's factor out by grouping. Now what is the common about x squared plus x 8x is we have x. X squared divided by x is equals x. 8x divided by x is equals to 8. Now what is the common about 2x plus 16 is we have 2. 2x divided by 2 is equals to x. 16 divided by 2 is equals to 8. Now let's simplify, and we have x plus 2 times x plus 8. You have this equation. Now what we need is to factor out 8x plus 8, and we have 2x minus 1 over x plus 2.
Composite. So we have a given of f of x is equals to 2x plus 7 and g of x is equals to 7x plus 14. Then we have find f composed of g of x. And we have a solution of f composed of g of x is equals to f of g of x. And here we have the f of x is equals to 2x plus 10, and we substitute the x in the 2x into the g of x. And now we have 2 times 7x plus 14 times plus positive 7. And we distribute the 2 to the 7x plus 14, and we have 14x plus 28 plus 7. And then we combine like terms like 28 plus and 7. So we get 14x plus 35. And then we simplify it. Divide both by 7. And we have f composed of g of x equals to 2x plus 5.